Hi everyone, welcome to MPV Vlogs. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Govee WiFi Thermo Hygrometer. Hygrometer. Easy for you to say. Hi everyone, like I said, my name is Mark Plant and this is MPV Vlogs. Thanks for coming in. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up or leave a comment below on this video. All three of those things really help the channel and allows me to do these things. Okay, so what we're going to do today is we are going to open up this Govee WiFi Thermo Hygrometer. Hygrometer. I think I got that right. This is, it sends alert notifications, data storage, free export. That's nice. And high accuracy sensor. Basically what it is, it's an indoor thermometer that measures both the temperature and the humidity in your house. And with the app, and you're able to connect it to Google Home and Amazon Alexa, it'll give you a notification if there's a problem. So we're going to set this up for inside my house, and there's an ulterior motive that I'm going to do for this, but that's going to be a totally another video. I don't know whether it's actually going to work. So the first thing to do is let's open this thing up. Okay, very simple. They got the little plastic thingy here. And of course, it's not going to be easy for me. Put it up. Okay, inside here, I'm assuming there's the batteries. There they are. And this is the unit here. Okay, so let's get out of here. And here it is. Very simple. This unit here uses what's called e-ink. So basically, this isn't an LCD screen. E-ink uses a lot less energy than the LCD screen, and it's really good for just basically printing numbers or basic text. You're not going to get any pictures or anything with this type of screen. So yeah, that's basically it. So basically, let's see, we got our instructions here, our user's manual. Tells us what we get, specifications, any troubleshooting that we need to do if it's not setting up properly, and FCC statements, because it is Wi-Fi, you got to have those, and just the basic stuff because it's Bluetooth also. We'll go over here. The other thing that came with it is the Govee propaganda, basically. Okay, in other words, this here, it's telling me because I'm creating this video, connect with them and they may want to show this. If you have any problems, that's how you get in touch with them. Okay. So melt from basic information. So what we're going to do first is let's put these batteries in. Give me a second while I open these. Here we go. Batteries. Battery. What you do is, okay, batteries go back here. No, they don't go there. That's a little leg so that it can stand up. I missed batteries. Where do you go? Okay. All right. Put the batteries in. Pop the back off. We've all done this a million times, and we've always put the batteries in the wrong way. Like so. Let's put the back cover back on. There we go. And the adjustments that you have on this, or the options you have on it, is you can go from Fahrenheit to Celsius and back to Fahrenheit by pressing the button on the top. Set this thing up for your Wi-Fi. I think I'm going to have to install the app first on my phone. All right, so that's the unboxing. That has to be the quickest and most simple unboxing that I've done on this channel. So let's do, this is going to be the most difficult, is we're going to have to set this up on the phone through the app. So let's do that. Okay, so we're over on the phone right now. What you're going to do is the QR codes that come with the packaging actually takes you to where you can download the Govee link. I already have a Govee product, as you can see on the screen here, an air purifier. But what we need to do is we need to add the Govee Hygrometer. I'm going to get that right. Onto this. So what I did at the beginning when I held the top button down to sync it, what it already did was it scans for the new devices. As you can see on the top here, it already picks it up. So we're going to add that. Just connecting. So now I have to click the top button to continue. To Wi-Fi, we'll call it. We'll keep it with Wi-Fi thermometer. The data refresh, you can have it refresh every 10 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour. The more you have it refreshed, the quicker it's going to burn out the batteries. But for this, I'm going to keep it at 10 minutes. Okay, so we'll click done. I got to connect to my Wi-Fi. It automatically pulls in that information because I've already set up a Govee product. So we'll click done. It's connecting to the Wi-Fi right now. Yes, my Wi-Fi name is blurred out on this. Don't want to give that information out. So, just waiting for this to go through. Okay, and it figures, right as I'm doing all this stuff here, I get a spam call in on my phone. All right. So I need to update the version. We'll do that later. And here's the thermometer. It's all connected. Get all the information. I said just started a couple of minutes ago. Gives the humidity. I'm able to export the data. Historical data comparison, which I can't do yet because the history is about 10 minutes old. I can break down the temperature, relative humidity, dew point, all of that stuff. So that I'm impressed with that. Okay, so that was the setup of the Govee WiFi Thermometer Hygrometer. I think I got it right. Okay, so that's the unboxing and setup of the Govee WiFi Thermometer Hygrometer. I think I got it right that time. It was really simple, basic. Gives all the information on its app. And what we're going to do is we'll come off the app right now. So let's stop recording. All right, so that's it. It's all set up. See the temperature here. Very basic, very simple. We're going to be doing another video right after this, and hopefully what I want to do works. If it doesn't work, then I bought this for nothing, but we'll see. But anyway, thanks for coming to the channel. Thanks for checking out this unboxing. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. It does really help out the channel. It allows me to buy stuff like this. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions or comments, or if I could have done this better. Like I said, I'm learning along with this. You saw me open the box. So that's it. Okay, thanks for coming to MPV Vlogs, and I will see you guys again soon.